how to change the incoming call ringtone sound on iPhone. Okay, so first let's return back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, scroll down and then tap on Ringtone. Next, tap on your SIM card and then go down the list here and select a ringtone sound that you would like to play. Okay, so select a ringtone sound and then tap on the back key. If you like, you can also change the ringtone sound for other SIM number as well. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.